Welcome to my channel. Eufy Homebase 3 Setup. 1. Unbox and check components. Ensure all included items, like the Homebase, power adapter, and Ethernet cable, are present. 2. Connect to power. Plug the Homebase 3 into a power outlet using the provided adapter and turn it on. 3. Connect to your router. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect the Homebase to your router for initial setup. 4. Download the Eufy Security app. Install the app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone or tablet. 5. Create or log into your Eufy account. Open the app, sign in, or create a new account if you don't have one. 6. Add a new device. Tap the Add Device button in the app and select Homebase 3 from the list. 7. Follow on-screen instructions. The app will guide you to connect the Homebase to your Wi-Fi network or confirm the wired connection. 8. Update firmware if prompted. If an update is available, allow the app to install it for optimal performance and security. 9. Add compatible devices. Pair Eufy cameras or sensors with the Homebase through the app to start using them. 10. Place the Homebase centrally. Position it centrally in your home for the best connectivity with all paired devices. Thank you for watching.